Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of Crypto Intel. I'm Mark. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a crypto enthusiast, so just make sure that you do your research before you make any moves on exchanges or trading coins, of course. So today we're going to talk about the Mantra DAO. It is listed as OM on Binance, Coinbase, etc. And of course, if you're holding those coins, please be sure to subscribe to this channel to get updates on price predictions, analysis, and other really cool, interesting info. So without further ado, let's check out what the hell's going on. So today it has pumped like crazy. And let's just break it down into the hourly pumps. So we're seeing here that it has slumped quite a bit in the past hour, of course, since there was this hype at 878 Satoshis. It's currently at 760 Satoshis, but it's probably gonna be falling much further down. And for those that bought it at 878, I'm praying for you guys. It's really sad, but you did lose approximately 14% so far. Look, it's really not a good idea to buy it when it's exploding like this. You should definitely wait for a little bit of calm on the market before you make a move. If you break it down even further to 5 minutes, as you can see, it has hit that mark, that high mark, but how many people were actually lucky enough to get there, right? Unfortunately, if we analyze whatever happened right here, there was a bloodbath. So there has been sales, a lot of sales. So 1.2 million sales worth in OM, which has been actually 15 Bitcoins. So this is a bloodbath. And it's just going on and on. Now, I think that you should definitely wait for it to stabilize approximately at the 700 mark. This is where normally people start to understand that, okay, there has been a support level that has been established. So it's really important to just give it a little bit of time before going in and purchasing the coin. Of course, it looks like it's going to blow up, right? You get all of these markers that it's going for that blow up, but you should definitely be careful. Let it calm down just a little bit. Buy it when it is at a low price. At this point, it's trading at 38 cents to the dollar. So let's check out a little bit about the Mantra DAO. So at this point, it is at a market cap of $127 million, and the 24-hour volume is 38 million, and the circulating supply of the Mantra DAO is 293 million coins. So what exactly is the Mantra DAO? So let's check it out. What is Mantra DAO? So Mantra DAO is a community governed decentralized finance platform focusing on staking, lending, and governance. So Mantra DAO leverages the wisdom of the crowd to create a community governed, transparent, and decentralized ecosystem for the Web 3.0. So these guys are way ahead of their time, right? Web 3.0, we're currently still at 2.0, I guess. And at this point, they're just trying to go and be ahead of the curve. So built on the parity substrate for the Polkadot ecosystem. By the way, for those that do not know what is the Polkadot, imagine it as a platform on which anyone can form their own coins. So this is the Polkadot. So Mantra DAO gives financial control back to the people to store and grow wealth together, which is great, right? It is not a lot of coins out there that are trying to do this. So what are the key features? So you got staking. Focusing on decentralized and non-custodial staking, users are able to securely stake a growing number of proof of stake and DPoS assets, all while earning extra rewards with the Mantra DAO tokens, as well as access to partnered airdrops. This is really cool because not a lot of coins actually do airdrops. Remember that. Binance BNB coins do them sometimes, but again, like some coin founders choose to do that to reward their communities, but this one also is doing it. That's great, right? So the lending, they're doing this to help out a lot of people out there because this is for decentralized finance, right? So when you're trying to, destabilize or when you're trying to innovate this field, you want to offer this type of services like lending, for example. So governance, borrowing, karma. So let's check out what is karma. So a reputation mechanism similar to a traditional credit score that aims at rewarding users for their positive contributions to the Mantra DAO ecosystem. So karma will reward users in a number of ecosystem incentives. And I'm guessing that they're gonna announce this on their Twitter account. So there's also the Mantra pool. So try your luck in the perpetual savings gained that frequently gives members the chance to win crypto. So, that's great. Sometimes you get yourself a nice little OM ticket, but it's not for everyone, right? So, built on Rio Chain for Polkadot. So, to support its ecosystem of financial products, Mantra DAO uses Rio Chain, a substrate based blockchain that is highly secure, scalable, and will connect to the Polkadot network, which is really important because that's what they're trying to establish right now with their technology, is this connection between the Polkadot and their own coin. So let's check out what they mean by this. So the Rio chain is audited by CertiK, and the hybrid model is as follows. So to ensure scalability, security, speed, and transaction throughput of up to 3000 TPS, the Rio chain adopts a federated model. Interoperability, this is really important. When you want to interact with multiple different blockchains in different altcoins, you need interoperability, and this is what they're trying to connect here. So Rio Chain's infrastructure efficiently connects organizations like banks, merchants, decentralized apps with users across multiple blockchains. And then there is the adaptability. So virtual machine interpreter supports WebAssembly, light client requirements, customizable consensus algorithms. That is all great for developers. Now, these are all of the exchanges on which they have been listed. So on Binance, Gate, Flybit, so all of the biggest ones, right? Then there are huge partners, so Substrate Builders, Market Across, Domino's, etc., etc. These are really large partners in the crypto game. You also have tons of investors. As you can see, there is a lot of investors coming out from the Asian market, such as LD Capital or even the Consensus Lab. So there are others. So the roadmap, let's check it out. So they started off in Q4 of 2019, the Rio Chain kickoff. So they did the development and then the conceptualization of the property lending algorithm. And then in Q2 of 2020, they decided to do penetration testing, which was certified by CertiK. And then they did the Kasuma validator node. So in 2020, in the Q3 of 2020, there was the completion of the initial membership offering. They entered Kasuma at 1000 validator program, the OM token exchange listing. Finally, they got it in 2020, and so the Substrate Builders program, and then become Polkadot validator node, launch of staking platform. Finally, and then in 2020, that's the end of the year. Launch of the Mantra pool, launch of the Zenterest lending platform, integrated KSM staking, and nominator rewards program. And then finally, they released their mobile wallet and they went live. And then in the first quarter of 2021, they got 50 assets added to the Zenterest money market. They got Zendit, Launchpad inaugural token offering, and also the multi-chain integration with Polygon, which is Matic that I covered in my previous video, and BSC. So insurance of Mantra DAO Ethereum-based stablecoin MUSD, which is great, right? Because you need stablecoins in order to be tethering when things go the wrong way in the markets. And then you get the completion of the integrated platform dashboard. When we check out their Twitter account, Mantra DAO is currently saying that Zendit is now working with the Quick token. I guess this is pretty much why this whole excitement happened on Binance and on the other platforms. And also another thing that happened, so this week, Mantra DAO Foundation bought 70,000 USDT worth of OM tokens as part of our bi-weekly buyback initiative, which uses our delegated rewards earnings to buy back the Mantra DAO tokens from the open market. And because they're doing this, excitement is building up, and this is why probably people start to invest back into the coin. And just be careful, when you're going at this coin, it's currently overheated. Just make sure that you are waiting for a stabilization to be established. It will probably stabilize at around 628 Satoshis. And from there, just make sure that you look at whatever's going on with the Bitcoin, because as you know, in the past few days, it has been losing a lot of value. Basically, it lost $10,000 in the past day. So be careful when you are doing these types of investments. When there are pumps, it's very, very dangerous. But we are definitely keen to seeing what's gonna happen next with the Mantra DAO coin. So if you want more updates regarding this coin, I will be posting more videos regarding its performance and of course, more price predictions to come for this beautiful coin. So thank you so much for watching this episode. And